Classroom from my homepage. You can just click on the Google icon there and it should take you directly to your Google Classroom page. If, however, you haven't joined Google Classroom, we need to do it just a slightly different way. It's going to ask you for some login information. For ease, I just typed Google Classroom into the search today, and once I got there, I get a page that looks like this. And if I go to Google Classroom, sign in, you're going to get a page that looks like this. Students, your username that you use to check your grades is your username for Google Classroom, but they need a whole email. So it is your username at students.sps186.org. Your password is your lunch pen. If that's not working, check to make sure you've spelled all your words right again. Once you get in, you will see a page that looks something like this, and it should show all of your classes. You might only have one or two there. And it might ask you to join my class. Okay? So to join a class, you're going to click on this plus button up in the corner where my cursor is right here, and you should be able to join my class without too much problems. It might ask you for a code, and if that happens, you'll need to send me a quick email or come see me to get that code. Otherwise, once you get there, you will get your box will show up for your class. You can open it, and this is where we're going to house your writer's notebook. So for instance, I can click right here, and it will open what will become my writer's notebook. So each time we do a new assignment or we need to continue an assignment, we will add slides to this. By the end of the year, we'll have several slides, several dozen slides in here. So your first page will be your cover. You get to design that any way you want. The only criteria that I'm asking for is that you be sure it has your name and is legible. Okay? After that, you can change the colors, the fonts, you can do what you would like to make that slide the way you want it. That should already be done for most of us, but there's a few of us I think have been absent. Your next slide, and if yours doesn't show up, you will just click the add button here. That's what that plus always means in Apple. You will create a page that says table of contents. That's all it really needs to say for now. If you want to make your slide a different color and play with the font, that's okay, but that's just icing on the cake. It's not necessary. Every time we create another slide after this, you will add to it. So our next slide will be your small moments brainstorming slide. And the next video will talk more about this. Good luck in getting your paper started.